guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gay. I run a blog called The Mermaid's Way. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my birthday gift. My birthday was in January. I have the big 5-0 and I'm gonna unbox my gift. I already opened it, but we're gonna unbox it. So it's a toss-up between two bags. So I was looking at a YSL bag, and then there was the Gucci bag. I didn't really decide, and then I decided to just go with the Gucci bag because ironically I had it saved in my phone, I think like from 2020, and I forgot I really wanted it, so my brother reminded me, and then I decided I'm gonna go with it. So let's get into it. So the bag I decided to get is the Gucci Horsebit 1955 mini bag. So I originally had saved in my phone the brown leather bag, but I already have a brown bag, so I decided to get the blue bag. Now this bag is really cute. It's very, I feel like it's a classic bag. I love the Horsebit piece in the front, and then the front flap kind of slides in there. I wish it had a snap to make it more secure, because I feel like if I put it in the back seat or if I turn it, if it kind of tip over, that some of the items that I have in the bag may kind of push the flap open. So that's one thing that I don't like about it, but it's not a game changer or something that would prevent me from getting the bag. If it had a snap, I feel like it would have been more secure. When you open it up inside, it does have a little kind of card slot here where you can put maybe like your license, your credit card, your debit card, and then the bag inside. It's a mini, so it's not really big, but I can fit inside my bag my card, wallet. I had my keys, my lip gloss, my small hand sanitizer. What else did I have in here? My work ID. There's quite a few things that I can fit in here. It doesn't fit everything that I typically would put in. Like I would normally have like Motrin in my bag, but I'll have to put it in like a smaller case. But it's a little roomy. It does come with the leather strap, and the strap is adjustable. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little holes. So it's, you know, it's a crossbody. You can put it around you, and you can adjust it if you want it, you know, if you want to have it up higher or if you want to have it lower. It's up to you. But it does have the adjustable strap. It does come with a second strap, which really drew my attention to the bag, because I love bags with a strap, and I love bags that have interchangeable straps. So this bag also comes with the Gucci stripe strap, and it does have the little clips on the side, you know, so I can switch it out. So if I want to wear it more casual, like with jeans, things of that nature, I can wear it with this strap on the weekend. And if I want to wear it like maybe to work, if I'm a little more kind of dressed in maybe like work attire, then I can wear, and if I'm a little dressed in work attire, then I could wear the navy strap. So I love the print. It's a classic GG print. I'll pop up a picture of the brown one that I originally had saved to my phone, but because I already have a brown hobo bag, I felt like getting this in brown would not make sense. So This is the bag. I've worn it maybe like once or twice. so far. Again, it's functional, it's quick. It fits pretty much quite a few things in, and maybe I'll grab my other bag so you can see how much it fits in there. So yeah, let me do that. I can fit my keys. If I wanted to put the Motrin bottle in, I can. I can fit my phone. It's wide enough for my phone, slides right in there. If I want to put my card case, I can put that in there. I can put my alcohols, that can go in there. My lip gloss, my car key. Actually, I carry around 2 car keys. I can fit that in there. You have to move things around a little, but 2 car keys can fit in there. And my lip balm, my hand sanitizer, and then any cards that I want to put, any additional cards I want to put in the card slot, I can. Or if I could put change there. My keys I probably just throw on top, and it all kind of fits in there nicely. So I can fit quite a bit in the bag. Close it, and then I'm good to go. So this is, again, the Gucci Horsebit 1955 bag. It's a really classic, cute little bag. Functional, again, crossbody for the weekend. If you just want to run to the mall, to the store, you know, doing a weekend errand, this is a great bag. So that's it. Again, let me show you what the straps with the adjustable. It has the blue and gray strap as well, and wear it like this. So this is the bag. This is what can fit in the bag. It's pretty deep. And this is my birthday gift. So I love it. Yeah. So that's my unboxing. That's my thoughts on the bag. I will have this for quite some time. It does come with the dust bag, so I can keep it in the dust bag when I'm not using it. So I can store the bag in the dust bag and put it up when I'm not using it to protect it. Yeah, so that's it. That's the Gucci Horsebit 1955 mini bag. I'm grateful for it. I love it. And tell me what you think. Until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.